Time management is about taking the time you got and making the highest dollars per hour during the time you've got. And we don't all have the same amount of time. So what is the real secret to it? You know, I used to work at a barbecue restaurant, and I managed a bar. This is one of the series of dead-end jobs I've had in my life, but I worked at a barbecue restaurant, and every day in the barbecue restaurant, we would open at the same time, and we would close at the same time, and the lunch rush would happen at noon, and the dinner rush would happen at 5, and we actually had to chop wood because it was a barbecue restaurant, and we had to cook the meat, and the meat guy would deliver the meat at the same time every day, and the Frito guy or the potato chip guy would come at the same time every day. So we would cook in the morning, and we would clean in the evening. At no time did I ever say to my little crew there, hey, today's going to be different. We're going to run this like realtors run their business, and we're going to clean in the morning and cook in the evening and open at noon and close at 3 in the afternoon. We're not going to do that. That's what realtors do. Every day looks different when you're a realtor. That's crazy. That's not a business. So one of the secrets is to make every day look the same. Don't have it be different. It's calming. It's comforting when every day looks the same. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.